Hello, hello, hello mga fellow network marketers. Gerald Claudio here. Sa video na to, ang pag-uusapan natin is paano ba talaga maiwasan na matenga ka sa network marketing business mo. Okay? So when I say stuck, gagawin or hindi mo lang kung saan direction ka pupunta and all. Most of it, okay? I would like to start my training with this by saying this. That sa network marketing, at some point, parang hanggang i-question pa natin. Let me give you an example. Example, nag-present ka sa client, tapos nag-face-to-face presentation ka, tapos nung nag-face-to-face presentation ka sa client mo, 3 oras mo pinresentahan, ending negative pala sa network marketing. May ganun ba kayong feeling? May ganun ba kayong feels? Di ba? Parang yung prospect mo, na ikaw dapat yung mag-convince sa kanya, ending parang ikaw pa yung konti na lang na-convince ka niya kasi super negative talaga niya. Diba? Tapos umuwi ka sa bahay nyo, tapos pag-uwi mo sa bahay nyo, nag-travel ka pa, mga 4 hours you spend your one prospect by the end of the day, and then feel mo parang na-drain ka emotionally, na parang ayoko nang mag-present kasi baka gano'n na din pa-experience ko. Sino nakaka-relate ng type nyo sa my comments relate? Another thing, let's give you another example. No? Nag-ads ka, tapos sa ads mo, grabe, ang daming nag-hao, ng mga 50 to 100, pero ni isa walang may nag-yes. Di ba? Parang, tama ba nung ginagawa ko or gagawin ko pa ba ito? Grabe, nagastusan na ako, di ba? Parang gano'n, tama ba ito or itigil ko na siya? And you get discouraged to it because with it feels like, I don't think I want to do it again. Or maybe, you have a team already and meron kang tinutukan ng mga tao in your organization because these people has committed themselves and they say, grabe, gagawin ko tong business para sa'yo. Mga ganun. Hindi naman para sa'yo, di ba? Gagawin ko tong business na to. Grabe, sasama ako sa'yo, coach. Di ba? Sa hirap at ginhawa. Rawr! Ganun, di ba? Tapos, after a year or two, these people stop and quit. Itong tao na binuhos mo yung energy, effort mo sa kanila para ma-build mo sila. Or maybe you are in a situation na may mga customers ka dati na sa'yo sila bumibili ng products, pero merong mga ibang kapareho kayo ng product na inengganyo sila doon bumili sa kanila. Tapos talagang sobrang sama ng loob mo, hindi ka maka-get over, nagagaliiti ka doon sa tao. Or maybe you are in this kind of experience na yung binil mo na mga teammates mo is kinuha ng ibang mga ibang mga network marketers. Bakit ko sinasabi sa inyo lahat ito? Because these things, I believe, hindi siya isolated case. Ibig kong sabihin, most of us, especially ako, okay, I would like to say this in my perspective na ako personally, no, in my personal experience, very emotional kasi akong tao. And I hate to be in a vulnerable position emotionally. Alam mo, may ganun ako. Kaya siguro kung meron ako isang struggle sa network marketing, emotional part ng business. Okay. So ito, sinasabi ko sa inyo upfront, unfiltered ito. If nakikinig ka sa akin right now, ito yung isang part na, again, hindi sasabihin sa'yo ng apply. Okay? Pero possible na experience mo na right now. Kung nasa ganung situation ka, sabihin ko lang to sa'yo. Okay? Kung nasa ganung situation ka, sabihin ko lang sa'yo to. Hindi ka nag-iisa. At wag kang bibitaw sa network marketing. Kasi normal lahat ng napagdaanan mo. I believe, lahat ng umasenso, lahat ng tumagal, lahat ng nakabuild, lahat ng kumita ng milyon sa industriyang ito, nadaanan mo. So, gusto ko lang tap yourself down your shoulder and say, normal pa pala ako. Hello, John Michael Chu. Magandang tanghali. Tama? So, ano yung proven tactic para hindi ka ma-stuck? 2 words only. Move on. The faster that you accept the reality of your business or the situation, you can make another better action. Example, kinuha ng iba yung customer mo. Anong gagawin mo? Will you put your energy and effort, negativity na para i-bash, itama ang mga pagkakamali? Or will you put your energy para maghanap ng bagong customer? So do you think, ikaw, nakikinig ka sa akin right now, saan yung mas better? Which you think is better? Of course, the latter. Ibig sabihin, bakit ko ubusin yung energy ko para habulin or awayin yung kumuha ng customer ko, where in fact, I can just find another customer. Do you think at some point, yung Jollibee, yung dati nilang customer na bumibili sa kanila, kung nakita nilang bumili sa McDonald's, will they put all the energy para itigil yung mga bumibili sa McDonald's? Syempre hindi. Kasi matalino sila. Tama? Hindi nila gagawin 'yon. Bakit ako magkakandara pa, 'di ba? Kung gusto niya lumipat, 'di okay siya, do'n siya masaya, eh. Tama, nakuha niyo ba? Now, some of you, may mga downline ka na lumipat. Ano, aawayin mo 'yon? Will you put all your negativity and energy doon para, "Hindi, kailangan natin itama 'to," gano'n, 'di ba? Well, if you have a very structured company, your company has a very good system or rules that fina-follow, maybe downline rating, you can apply downline rating. Pero ako personally, hindi ko i-effort 'yan. Anong gagawin ko? I might have a mistake. Titingnan ko, i-assess ko yung sarili ko, saan ako nagkamali, ano yung kailangan kong improve, and then hanap ako ng bago kong isa-sign up. Hanap ako ng bago kong info-form. Because I'll tell you one thing, you have to understand, the more na nagdedwell ka sa problems, or the more na nagdedwell ka sa emotional part ng business mo in a negative sense, the more ka natatagal. Sino sa inyo dito nakaka-relate? Time nyo relate sa my comments. Hanggang ngayon, masama pang loob mo kasi yung tita mo na akala mo magpe-pay in sa'yo, pinresentahan mo, hanggang ngayon, 6 na buwan na yun, hindi pa matanggal sa isip mo yung negativity niya kasi may mga masasakit siyang sinabi sa'yo. Sino nakaka-relate yun? Hanggang ngayon, hindi ka maka-move on. Nakuha? Maniwala ka sa akin, tao tayo, as human as we are, we are emotional beings. Makakaramdam ka talaga ng alam mo yun, ng na-offend ka or na-embarrass ka, napahiya ka. Pero at the end of the day, gusto ko lang sabihin 'to, bilisan mo mag-move on. Hindi ko sinabi na hindi ka masaktan, hindi ko sinabi maging stoic ka na wala kang mararamdaman. That's not my point. But my point here is, whatever situation na kung nasa anong sitwasyon ka ng part mo, ng business mo, whatever challenges or struggle, move forward, bilisan mong mag-move on. Dahil you have to understand that wala naman talagang now. I continue to find and seek answers for my network marketing business. I don't just stop. I continue to grow. I continue to give myself the realization kung paano ba talaga gagawin tong negosyo ito. That's how I think, that's how I see myself. I think through. And that's the same thing na gusto kong i-emphasize sa bawat isa na nandito sa inyo. Network marketing is really, really a promising business. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Again, I often say this. Kung nasaan ako right now in terms of my confidence in selling, confidence in building organization, my way of thinking ko paano mag-handle ng people, yung grit, yung perseverance, God used network marketing to mold me to who I am right now. And I'm forever grateful for this industry. Kaya siguro gano'n ako paano ko ba? Gano'n na lang ako motivated to help fellow network marketers, because most of you are here in this page. You are watching my content. You're looking at my videos. Some of you are part of the course, which is you have an exclusive Facebook group there. I also have tons of videos out there on the top of all the courses na ginawa ko. Because I'm really, really wanted people to understand that may hope. Kung nahihirapan ka sa network marketing business mo, hindi yan yung endpoint. Yung promise ng network marketing o yung mga nakikita nyong resulta sa network marketing, totoo po yun. Totoo po yun. Okay, yung nakikita nyo talagang umasenso, nakauwi sa Pilipinas for good, nakita nyo talagang nagkaroon ng properties, na-turn yung profit nila sa network marketing into investment. All of these things nakita ko right before my eyes, and even ako personally na-experience ko siya. Kaya ako sinasabi sa inyo to para mapaghandaan nyo siya emotionally, at para kung nandun ka sa situation right now or dumating ka man sa situation na to, maalala naman tong video na to and say, okay, I just need to move on. Tama, huwag ka magdedwell sa negativity. Huwag ka magdedwell kung tao ayaw magstay sa'yo. Huwag ka magdedwell kung yung tao to be part of your team, who wanted to be a part of your team, and who will work closely with you. Keep on finding those people. Have the strategy and tactics na pwede mong magamit. And soon enough, in the future, you would realize, aha, buti na lang hindi ako tumigil. Buti na lang hindi ako tumigil. Joanne Gayo, magandang tanghali. Kamusta po? Right? If you somehow nakikinig ka sa akin right now, nanggigigil ka mag-network marketing, grabe, thank you, coach. Di ba? Thank you, Gerard. Oh, drop mo dyan fire emoji sa my comments. Click mo share, click mo heart. Okay? Tag nyo yung mga fellow network marketers nyo dito. Bilisan mo mag-move on. That I think is just a simple message I have this afternoon for you. Okay? So, there are so many nasty things that could happen in network marketing, okay? But one thing na gusto kong sabihin, regardless kung anong mangyari, you have to understand that you're still learning, you're still in the learning process, you're still in the learning curve. And which what I wanted to emphasize is you're still in a learning process, you're still in a learning curve, which means that take all of this as a learning. Take all of this as a lesson. Wag mong mamasamain. Wag mong palaging sama ng loob mo. Kasi pag palaging masama ng loob, bakit ito nangyari sa akin? Ba't sila ganito? Tama. Kanya-kanya tayo ng progress eh. Kanya-kanya tayo the way we interpret it. But later, Mariels, dito pala yung ibig niyan sabihin. Ito pala yung way to really build it. Diba? Right? I hope you're learning, guys. Type your learning sa my comments. What's a proven tactic to being stuck, to avoid being stuck in network marketing? Very, very simple. Move on. Get the lesson from that experience. Diretso ang paglalakbay. Huwag pa tingin sa likod. Ganito nangyari. Ganitong ginawa nila sa akin. I feel victimized. I feel abused. Whatever. I don't know. Diba? Ganito yung ginawa nila. Unfair. Yung kapitbahay namin. Pareho kami ng company. Ginawa niya yung kapitbahay namin. Isa na kumukuha sa... Enough. Nangyari na eh. Diretso ka na. Tama? Wag nang puro pa, ano pa sabihin ko dito? Wag na puro balik pa ng balik. Tama? Nangyari na yun eh. Di maghanap ka ng bagong customer. Be better. Ano ba yung pwede kong gawin better para magstay yung customer sa akin? Kasi these experiences, no matter how unpleasant these experiences are, may matututunan ka dyan eh. O bakit yung downline ko hindi active lumipat sa iba? Hindi yung tipong you feel victimized with it, you feel you are the victim. Hindi ako dumating sa situation na ganito. Tama? Okay. Carlo Pasaporte Lubaton, hello. Nesiel Romo, hello. Neil Olarte, yes, thank you po. Ami, hello Ami. Ami Barakaw, kamusta? Yan. Walang sukuan, nagtyaga ka na rin lang ituloy mo na hanggang maging successful ka. Tama. Huwag na puro drama. Well, Vernene. Tama to. Tama. Kaya napapansin nyo ba, maraming nag-join sa network marketing. Very, very, na-reject lang isa, ayaw na. Meron ba kayong mga ganong mga teammates? Or maybe some of you ganon? Diba, nakikinig ka sa akin right now, you're at the brink of quitting kasi may 3 kakaibigan na inero, wala pa may nag-pay in sa'yo. Hindi para sa akin yung network marketing. Ano ka ba? 3 pa nga lang yung nakausap mo eh. Diba? Hindi mag-ads na lang ako o nag-ads ka ngayon tapos di ka marunong magkumausap kasi you don't have the core foundation kung paano talaga nagko-closing ng client. Ala, bakit wala akong mag-pay in pa rin? 50 inquiries na, 100 inquiries na. Mag-automate na lang ako. Automate ka ng automate. Hindi ka marunong makapag-usap. Diba? Network marketing is a promising business. It's not a perfect industry. Okay? You will experience you feel like this is not fair, whatever. Pero keep moving forward. Stay in the game. Continue to talk to people. Continue to build up your system. Execute more. Because sooner or later, you would realize, buti lang hindi ako nag-quit. And those experiences, you outgrow it. It makes you better. It makes you better. Christopher Ferrer Karamat, magandang tanghali po sa inyo. I hope you're learning, guys. Yun lang naman for me. If you find value dito, click nyong share. Share nyo to sa mga ka-teammates ninyo or mga ka-fellow network marketer ninyo. Click nyo dyan, heart, drop nyo for heart emoji dyan, no? Or fire emoji, whatever. No, if you find this valuable. You guys are all amazing. Love you all. Let's build our business. Let's build our network marketing business. Magpayaman tayo sa network marketing. Kunin natin mga pangarap natin. God bless you. Bye-bye.